Hi, this is Sean with TOMAR Electronics, and today we'll be covering the TRT and TRX infrared multifunction off-road light bars. Let's get started. This is a 35-inch TRT tactical off-road light bar. Your first function is going to be your bright red and blue emergency warning. Your second function is going to be your bright white illumination. Our new third added function is now going to be your 940 nanometer infrared technology. As you'll see in this light bar, you're going to have two different optics for your infrared. It is asymmetrical. The reason for that is because we wanted a spot module and a flood module. These light bars come in several different variations. Currently we have a 25-inch, 35-inch, 45-inch, 50, and 60. The light bars are made with an aluminum housing, and each module is hermetically sealed, which means that there's no rubber or gaskets that will fade over time. What we have displayed here is a 35-inch TRT. However, we also make it in a military tan. Depending on the customer needs, there are different colors and options available. To replace or repair a module is simple. There's no need to down a full light bar. All you need is a hex key. Unscrew these two brackets, plug in your new module with the waterproof connectors, screw your hex keys back in, and you're good to go. Activating the light bar is done by applying voltage to one or more of the light bar control wires. The control wires consume only a few milliamps of current and can be done utilizing any on and off switch. There are 5 control wires in the control cable plus 1 supply feed. Let's get into the functionality of this light bar. So by applying power to your orange wire, as you can see, that'll activate your group 1 white lamps. This gives you your bright white light to the front when you need it. Your blue wire is going to activate the 940 nanometer infrared LEDs. These are going to be seen here in your driver side module, which is going to be spot, and your passenger side module, which is going to be flood. Your brown and white wire activates the warning patterns on the TRT light bar. There's 20 different flash patterns with 8 different flash rates, which gives you a combined 160 different combinations. Your brown wire is going to activate the steady burn on your warning. Also included in your control cable harness is going to be the green wire, which activates the dim function. Combining wires, it gives you different added functions as well. Connecting the brown and white wire with your orange wire not only gives you your white illumination, but also activates your emergency red and blue. This can also be used in your steady burn function. The TRT bar warning function is SAE compliant and is capable of being 50 state legal with your combined California study. I'll go into programming mode and show you how to do that now. To enter programming mode, you're going to take your green wire, you're going to connect it to power. You're going to take your brown wire, double tap it twice. You'll notice it enters programming mode by it flashing 3 times, and then it goes to a random sequence. To get to a California study mode, we're going to take our same brown wire and we're going to tap once to change modes. To keep this selected flash pattern, you're simply going to disconnect the green wire. To verify it's the flash pattern you want, you're going to hook up your brown and white wire, and you should get that same flash pattern. For your TRX variant off-road light bar, you're going to have the same control wire harness. Included is your red and white wire, which is your supply feed that can be hooked up to any control panel or switch of your choice. The orange color-coded wire is going to be your white lamps. By connecting these, it'll be displayed as your white group. For your blue wire is going to activate the 940 nanometer infrared technology. For your brown wire is going to activate the amber, and your brown and white wire is going to activate the warning flash pattern for your ambers. Also included in your control cable harness is going to be the green wire, which activates the dim function. And that concludes our demonstration and functionality of the TRT and TRX bars. Thanks for tuning in. Check out TOMAR for more information.